अगर आप कभी यूरोप टूर करने का सपना देखते हो तो एक वर्चुअल टूर तो करा ही देगी आपको ये बुक। वो हमेशा आपका साथ देंगी, चाहे आपकी जॉब छूट चुकी हो या दिल टूट चुका हो। अपने बचपन की यादें किसे नहीं पसंद होती हैं। दिस बुक डज exactly that for you. It takes you back to your childhood. In this video, I have for you 5 book recommendations to start your reading journey with. So इस वीडियो में मैं आपको डिफरेंट कैटेगरीज की एक बुक रेकमेंड करूंगी which is an easy read in that particular category. My first book recommendation is What Will Hit Nostalgia for You, और अपने बचपन की यादें किसे नहीं पसंद होती हैं. This book does exactly that for you. It takes you back to your childhood. The book I'm talking about is Diary of a Wimpy Kid by Jeff Kinney. Now, it's a book that many of you would have read as a child, but then there is me who never got a chance to read it, during my childhood at least. But as they say, better late than never. So yeah, I recently wrapped it up. और सुनो, ये डायरी ना बुक की फॉर्म में थी, इसलिए पढ़ने के लिए कह रहे हो. किसी और की डायरी सच में मत पढ़ने लग जाना. Bad manners. Okay, now coming back to it, this book is written from the POV of an 11-12 years old kid called Greg. What you'll find in this book is talks about school homework, exams, and fights with friends, all that jazz, which basically makes up a kid's childhood. So that's what you'll find in this one. So yeah, it's a fun read, and I read it at a time when I was in a reading slump, and this book did the job of getting me out of that reading slump really well. So yeah, this was the first recommendation. Now I want you all to get into reading, but if I don't recommend you something that actually makes you fall in love with the act of reading, then it would be wrong on my part. So the next book that I have for you falls under the category of books about books. It's Days at the Morisaki Bookshop by Satoshi Yagisawa and translated by Eric Ozawa. First, let me just tell you how beautiful this book's cover is. It is one of my favorite book covers that I own. I mean, of the books that I own. This book follows the story of Takako, a woman who leaves her job after her boyfriend, who used to work at the same workplace as hers, decides to break up with her. So now she is heartbroken and without a job. अब सर्वाइवल के लिए कुछ ना कुछ तो करना पड़ेगा. So her mother suggests that she should start living with one of her uncles named Satoru, who owns a second-hand bookstore called Morisaki Bookshop. Now, initially, Takako is unwilling to do so, but ultimately she agrees. So the story that follows from there explores the themes of healing, companionship, and self-discovery. And of course, books play a pivotal role in her journey. ये बुक आपको यकीन दिलाएगी कि अगर आप बुक्स की कंपनी में हो ना, तो वो आपको कभी अकेला नहीं छोड़ेंगी. वो हमेशा आपका साथ देंगी, चाहे आपकी जॉब छूट चुकी हो या दिल टूट चुका हो. इस बुक की ना कुछ बातें मुझे बहुत पसंद आई. For example, the character of her uncle Satoru. That's something that I really liked. He's that one person who is there for you at every moment and who will fight for you and is ready to go to any extent to make you feel loved and cared for. So that was one thing that I liked from the book. Another thing that I really liked is the character arc of Takako herself. So initially, you see her as a person who does not like reading much, but then towards the end of the book, we see that she has developed a love for reading. So I think that character arc of Takako is another thing that I really liked from this book. And this book has beautiful imagery, and it's all warm and heartwarming and comforting. So if those are the vibes that you would like to go for, then do consider reading this book. और इसका sequel भी काफ़ी प्यारा है, which is More Days at the Morisaki Bookshop. So yeah, that was the second recommendation for you. अगर आप कभी यूरोप टूर करने का सपना देखते हो, तो एक वर्चुअल टूर तो करा ही देगी आपको ये बुक. The book that I'm talking about is बहुत दूर कितना दूर होता है by Manav Kaul. It falls into the category of travelogue. So this book beautifully captures the beauty. So this book captures the beauty of all the places that the author visits, and it has got beautiful imagery. It's almost as if you are traveling alongside the author. Coming to the writing style is a little poetic, and in between there are some nuggets of philosophical wisdom that I personally really liked. Another thing that I really liked from this book, or rather about the author, is love and appreciation for art and the artists in general. So that is another thing that I liked from this. I will be posting its review in my Substack newsletter. So सब्सक्राइब कर लेना अगर आप लोगों ने नहीं किया है तो लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन में मिल जाएगा आपको. मुझे बोलने की ज़रूरत नहीं है बट या इट्स हिंदी लिटरेचर. सो इफ़ यू आर लुकिंग फॉर सम हिंदी लिटरेचर, सम मॉडर्न हिंदी लिटरेचर, आई थिंक दिस इज़ द बुक दैट यू कैन ट्राई आउट. So that was my third recommendation for you. Now, next book recommendation is for all my romance pagloos. And I think it's the first time that I'm giving any contemporary romance recommendation. And I think romance recommendation in general, yeah, I have not given any romance book recommendations क्योंकि मैंने शायद उतने पढ़े ही नहीं है. The book that I'm talking about is Better Than the Movies by Lynn Painter. This book follows the story of Liz Buxbaum, who is a hopeless romantic and likes to believe that her life is a rom-com movie. So she gets all excited when she gets to know that Michael, her childhood crush, is moving back to town. And then there is Wes Bennett, her neighbor, who teases her and is kind of a pain for her to deal with ever since they were kids. But Michael and Wes, they both are on friendly terms. So now Liz needs Wes's help to make Michael fall in love with her. And in this whole process, she falls in love with Wes. So yeah, that's basically the plot of this book. इस बुक का बेसिक प्लॉट एक्सप्लेन करने के बाद अब ऐसा लग रहा है कि मैंने पूरी स्टोरी तो आपको बता ही दी है. But then if you look at the back of this book, the blurb already says this. So I did not do the plot reveal. The blurb itself has. I would say read this book for its banters, for its funny moments, for its teasing moments, for its romantic moments. Oh yeah. And you'll also get Liz and Wes's song and movie playlist. Remember, Liz is a hopeless romantic, so of course that's in it for you. Also, one more thing, this book shows that it's not necessary for romance books to have unnecessary spicy scenes to hook the readers. I mean, if your characters are well crafted and if you can make the readers feel the emotions that the character is going through, if you have a well written story, then spicy scenes are just not required. The story itself will keep the readers hooked. So that was the fourth recommendation for you. Next, I have a recommendation for the thriller lovers. This book follows the story of a woman called Millie who decides to take up a job as a live-in housemaid. So now you know the title of the book. Yes, the title is the very popular The Housemaid by Frida McFadden. Yeah, I was saying that she decides to take up a job as a live-in housemaid in the wealthy Winchester family, but then her job turns into a nightmare. There are unsettling secrets, there are horrifying pasts, and then there is a locked door. So if all of it intrigues you, and in general if you're looking for some fast-paced thriller, then do give this book a read. It will keep you hooked till the end of the story. So the story is very engaging and gripping. That was my fifth recommendation to you. So yeah, I think those were the books that I had for you in this particular video. And if you've read any of these books or you have any of these on your TBR, do let the community know in the comments. और अगर ये वीडियो आपको अच्छी लगी हो तो लाइक कर देना, कमेंट कर देना, शेयर कर देना अपने फ्रेंड्स एंड फैमिली के साथ. एंड सब्सक्राइब करने के लिए मैं ना भी बोलूँ तो भी आप कर सकते हो, आप लोगों को पता ही है. मेरे सारे जो सोशल मीडिया हैंडल्स हैं वो आप लोगों को डिस्क्रिप्शन में मिल जाएंगे. एंड आई ऑल्सो हैव दिस वीकली न्यूज़लेटर दैट आई पब्लिश एवरी संडे. इट गेट्स डिलीवर्ड टू योर इनबॉक्सेस. सो या उसका भी लिंक आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन में मिल जाएगा. एंड या दैट्स इट फॉर दिस वन एंड आई सी यू इन द नेक्स्ट वन.